Hey everybody, welcome back to Garage Gear. I'm JB. Did you know that power washing is one of the simplest ways to add value to your home? Think about it. A clean home exterior and driveway can add tens of thousands of dollars to your home's resale value. Would you want to buy a home that's dirty and covered in mold? People like it when stuff is clean. Plus, it's one of the most satisfying things that you could easily do to your home. Clean, dirty, clean, dirty, clean, dirty. The results are always amazing, and in a few short hours, I guarantee you, your neighbors will be complimenting you on how nice your home looks. Let's get started. Let's talk about our tools of the day. You're gonna need yourself a power washer, preferably something with over 2,000 PSI and over 2 gallons per minute output. This unit has 2,800 PSI and 2.3 gallons per minute, so this is gonna be plenty of power washing power that we'll need. Now this pressure washer does come with a soap dispensing unit, but I never use soap. Now unless you have some big oil spot or grease on your driveway, soap is not required, just water, that's all you need. Next, we're gonna need a surface cleaner. This is about 15 inches across. These can handle up to about 3,400 PSI, and if we look underneath, this one's a little dirty because I just recently used it. It has 2 jets that spin around super fast, and these will definitely clean up any large area quick. Now, if you don't have one of these surface cleaners, I strongly recommend purchasing one of them. They're not that expensive, and you will save so much time. If you just decide to use the wand, you're gonna have tiger stripes all across your driveway. It'll take you about double or triple the amount of time to get it done with just the wand. Also, get yourself a wand extension, because if you have to use a shorter extension to push that surface cleaner around, that can be an awful chore and very painful on your lower back. I will have all these items linked down in the description below. Well, another big question that always comes up is, should I get a gas power washer or an electric power washer? I would go gas, hands down. It has more power and you don't have to drag all these power cords all around your property. If you have a smaller property, then an electric power washer will probably do you just fine. However, if you have a larger property, an electric power washer will be a pain when you have to start dragging 2 hoses and an extension cord all around. Now, you may recognize this house from past videos. This is actually my neighbor's driveway across the street. You know, the one that I'm throwing snow across the street at with my impeller kit on my snowblower. Truth be told, this neighbor actually gave me this power washer. Super nice of him. What ended up happening was something broke on the pump. He said, hey, if you can fix it, it's yours. I took it home, did a quick repair on it, and lo and behold, I got it running again. Runs just fine, does a great job. So I made my neighbor a deal. I said, look, you gave me your power washer and I throw tons of snow at your house in the wintertime. I'm gonna power wash your driveway for you. And this driveway has never been power washed. Also, we want to look at the pitch of our driveway. This driveway slants down and away, so we're going to push everything down and away into the street. Now, if you're doing sidewalks or walkways, you're going to want to start at the lower end. Here's why. Water's going to start to pool up on one side. You're going to start by doing that area first and then work your way back up. You don't want to fight through a puddle of water and try to clean at the same time. That's going to make life very difficult for you. All right, let's get our hoses set up and get rolling. So as you can see here, I got my hoses all laid out. Trust me, do this now so that way you're not fighting these hoses later on down the road. Here's a little bonus tip. Leaf blow your driveway before you power wash to remove any debris, leaves, or anything else that could get in your power washer's way. This will speed up the cleaning process and make your power washer more efficient. So here we go. We're going to turn our water on. We're going to take our wand and we're going to turn on the gun. So what I'm doing is I'm getting all the air out of the line. I'm waiting for any little last minute pops like that. I'm going to let this go for about 30 seconds and then I'll turn on the power washer. All right, so you can clearly see the difference here. Washed, not washed. Pretty cool. This will be bright white once it dries. This will still remain a pretty dark shade of gray. And if you notice that rinse that I did after I did the surface cleaner, that's very important because it's gonna push any debris that's on that driveway block off. And we're just gonna keep on moving all that dirt down the driveway. And look how much we got already. Jeez, let's keep going, shall we? So you can see here that I'm going along the edge of the driveway, but the surface cleaner misses that last inch along the way. Most surface cleaners do this. Well, here's the next level tip for you. Tip the surface cleaner slightly up along that edge. The grass will be fine, don't worry about it. Then here you can see I rinse away the dirt, and voila, that edge is now clean. Check this out. I let the whole thing dry up. Take a look at how clean and white this whole driveway is. Even up here, there was a lot of grime soaked into that driveway and it's gone. This area was dark too, gone. This whole thing looks awesome. Check it out, I even did the walkway up here. Super clean. Not too shabby. Now, it may be a little difficult to see, but there are some fine lines here from where I was going up and down with the surface cleaner, and that's because the driveway was just so dirty. Now, if I were to do this again, it would start to erase these, and if you did this yearly, those lines would start to vanish. Is my neighbor concerned about him? No. Is he happy that his driveway has been finally cleaned after 25 years? Yes! That's pretty amazing how good of a job that surface cleaner did on a 25-year-old dirty driveway. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. I hope you got as much satisfaction out of watching this driveway be cleaned as I did power washing it. Even from my side of the street, this driveway looks significantly brighter. That surface cleaner did its job. Stay tuned for a future video on me changing the oil on that power washer because it is not as easy as it seems. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay up to date with all the latest content here at Garage Gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in someone else's garage.